what you did. You broke Rolling Thunder.
I'm sorry, I got my credit though.
Oh, let me see. Can I unbuckle this because my bolts are broken? I just said that on camera.
You're making everybody get
Doctor Who? Doctor Who? Chair? Who's that? This better not be broken.
Unless they're checking
For peanuts.
It's really hot.
Pebbles, what didn't Flash have?
What?
What was Flash short on?
What was Flash? Oh.
we broke.
This little big sound.
Yeah, I had another breakdown on Rolling Thunder. It was my third one I've ever had on this ride.
I can't wait to get that ring. I even know the prayer. I know the spell to activate the green ring.
My eyes
We do not know how long this will take. You're more than welcome to wait with us, or you can...
We're still here. And we have Mike waiting for us down there.
What is that? There's like free porno right there.
What?
Free porno.
What? Taking advantage of breaking a ride.
Yeah, like, that's the best place to do it.
Guys, there's no air.
I really want it.
I'm bored. And Kingdom hasn't ran once. But El Toro's done like 5 million times. Well, you saw it run. We did.
In some mysterious world.
No, why did you be a bitch? You know I did it. You know I saw it run. Because it broke probably. You really don't believe me, Anan? No, I'm not going to believe you because we won't.
The sounding.
Ew, that smelled like something wet.
Oh yeah, those are bug dropping.
Why?
It only took 3 years.
Could have been worse. It could have been stuck on the list.
Happy birthday, Pebble.
Birthday?
It is now.
Yeah!
How long before it comes down? My two little ones are out there.
We have a guy up there talking to him, calming
They're
him
not
down.
high out there, huh?
Look at them.
They're having a good time. I'm not.
We got stuck on Rolling Thunder leaving the station. They made us get out, and now it's closed. So we've now been stuck on both sides of Rolling Thunder in one day.
That's interesting, actually.
This sucks. It was the left side. First it was the right side, now it's the left side.
The horn!
That's weird.
Wow!
It must have been broken. So, yeah, I'm apparently really good luck. So what do you think about your double breakdown today? Do you want to kill me? Look, look. They're walking down now. The lap bar is open. Hey, they're doing the same thing they did to us on the Cyclone.
Alright, I really gotta go. I wanna go. Sick.